and I didn't see one of them. A chair to me, right? And that's what we are saying. And we are calling on the people of this country to accept that fact and accept that authority. That Asanteman is an Omai, is a nation on its own. And now, Sebi Ahobrasi, no boo, and I had been saying a new Biabe Tranganum. Sebi, who called Dagwan? There's an overload of Dagwan. Uko Gunja, there's an overload of Gunja. We have Gunja, Monsieur, the Gunja wine. Man, Pussy and Nairi, and a Gunja then. Ah, Gunja then. Tamale, no, the northern region is Yana. All right? And then we come to Yagbonra, the Gunja Yagbonra. So clearly, what we are saying, let's put it in perspective. Neka no cre. Sebi assembly here. Oh, Boko. Yura, Edina no to song. And I ordinary no to song, I ordinary to Sokako. A man for the partner, Akufado. Your man penny and Nado Danko Akufado. And the partner said, a semno, menino. Sebi, Adianche, and I had two Abatiam and Omukoye. Ira Mahama, Esambaye. Ira Mahama Bayano, or Sadi Assembly between him. So on camp, or Casemno, or Casemno, Sampa, a man in Yamamrimu, you hear money in Yamamrimu, you heard Ganam Ra. Why not to Miss Fatano, or the 2 years or the 2? You can say, Yura, or a Bema Procope, Yura and Pobiacho, Crumanum, says Sebi, or Mersomno. You can say to Miss Fatano, and I wonder to me, India. But Aroma, so ask your questions, we are going to answer you.
My madam, Sampa. Yeah, I woke my Sampa bloggers. The things we say, Sampa, I want you a mouth for wine.
A couple of days ago, about 3-4 days ago, okay. All of us, Sebi, the police council, and then the police hierarchy, Etunsa, Efreira, Obia Huye, Muhuye, Okwakra, Tokoe, into a call or the Kokatcher police for the say, police, your police, Omo Majumo Moye, and I buy him Semia Mamra. Mutumi Omoye. Tinia can say, Ira, Wasina Kuna, or Sampa. And the whole thing that we keep on saying is, we and this new MPP, I have no problem with you. You can do your politics. By a bus and cannot cry, I say cannot cry. There can say, Sampa Asanteman and Asanteman. Sampa Asanteman, we are telling the president of the country, and we are telling the IGP and Inspector General of Police that look, near can you see or Sampa, no, you can't some they should not allow the political elite to keep on misleading them. To keep on misbehaving as if they have authority. They have no authority. Asanteman is a nation of its own, and we have our records.